Welcome to Western Integrated Systems Upland FileBound search. Today we're going to go ahead and log in and take a look at how FileBound works for searches. So I'm going to go ahead and log in using my single sign-on or internal user account. I'm going to hit sign in. And then when I go to sign in, it's going to load up my search criteria, which is basically right here. You can hit the search icon. It's on the left-hand bar over here. And then a couple things happen. You have to have some things integrated and set up as far as things go when it comes to OCR process. The document has to be OCR'd, and FileBound does have that feature built in these days. So in version 7.5 and above, you have the ability to do full text search. You have to enable it for that particular project. As you can see right here, we have a full text search, and that full text search, I'm going to look for a couple things. I can look for a PO number, I can look for a vendor and invoices. We're looking at a demo site called MGI AP Invoices. We're going to go down here to the full text search, and I'm going to search for 876543321. And basically at that point, I'm going to hit search. Now it's going to bring back results. They're going to find information in full text search, not only something that was found in the information that might be in the index values, but also you can see nothing here tells at all that you saw the number 986754321 in the information to search, but it's actually in the document itself. And we can actually view that information by clicking on the document here. You can see none of that information is here. In fact, it's reversed. But if we look through the document here, we can see that at some point we have an invoice number that is actually 987654321. So it's actually in the OCR document. So it's looking for the content in the document for machine text that's in there. And the reason we can check for that too is we can actually do a file additional search and look for that information if you didn't know where it is, and it was a lot of different pages. So that takes us through the search mechanism for looking for a full text search for an OCR document. Now I'm going to close the screen and I'm going to go back to the search mechanism, and I'm going to type in a number like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then basically I'm going to do a search based on that PO number. It's going to bring back all results based on that PO number. I'm going to hit that search, and at this point it brings back one result. And you saw earlier that we did have that in there. I can look at that document, and you can see here's the PO number. The actual number is incorrect because in the OCR search it found that information, which we can bring up on a document. But at the same time, if that PO number was incorrect, you could basically put the information incorrectly and save that information here. So now that information should be found under this information, but again, it found the information based on the metadata or the index search that we did on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then it brings back all the results. So hopefully you'll understand now how to do the searching within FileBound by Upland. And Western Integrated Systems can help you with this kind of information, bring in documents, OCR those documents, find those documents based on the content in a document, or also store the information based on key metadata or index values that go in the left-hand side over here, such as information like total amount due, or maybe the date that it was brought in. We can automate that process as well. So those are just some things that we can do to make your searching easier. Thanks for joining us today at Western Integrated Systems to show you an invoice for AP invoices and give you an idea of what that looks like for a full text search as well as a index search.